Welcome to ExpoForum, the platform for interactive virtual events. An innovative space to bring together professionals, decision makers, exhibitors, startups and companies. ExpoForum offers a unique immersive experience, with touch screens, 360-degree exhibition areas and interactive hotspots to communicate in a new way. Welcome your guests in the auditorium, a plenary room where you can start discussion forums in live streaming or use a meeting room with roundtables on topics of common interest. A place where companies can meet their customers in a comfortable and innovative space. Imagine an exhibition area with your interactive stand that can be explored at 360 degrees as in reality. A personalized space with your brand, background music, your products and everything you need to communicate effectively. You can use it as a virtual tour and show the company brochure. Your website. A multilingual video. Visitors from all over the world will be able to get in touch with the exhibiting companies through pop-up forms or via WhatsApp. It will be easy to arrange appointments remotely. In addition, all companies will be able to participate in vertical networking events to start business meetings. An online matchmaking platform is available that will allow anyone to make appointments remotely independently. ExpoForum is not only the platform for interactive business events, but also a virtual exhibition space that makes the world of culture, museums and art accessible. Imagine the possibility of exploring museums and places of knowledge where it is possible to learn and interact. Getting to know the works of artists through a completely new experiential journey. Magically transport yourself to unique places of the Italian cultural heritage, such as admiring the Last Judgment and the vault of the Sistine Chapel. Culture, art and places of knowledge without limits of time and space. ExpoForum is the digital platform dedicated to the events industry, capable of guaranteeing a unique and highly engaging immersive experience. Fairs, workshops and seminars, networking or team-building events, roundtables and medical scientific congresses. ExpoForum, everything you need to get your business moving.